offering, and we increased this investment by 50% in order to help you drive this customer transformation. Across our portfolio, we've targeted 70% of our investments toward partners that focus on the SMC business. This is an increase of more than 50% in the last 2 years. Partners that focus their business in this segment will see significant earning opportunity. So now let's talk a little bit about how the most successful partners go to market with Microsoft. We see significant customer demand, and partners are very well positioned to capitalize on this opportunity, supported by Microsoft's go-to-market resources that help you address the unique customer needs of each segment. For partners that offer solutions and services to enterprise customers, we see a significant need for bespoke software, solutions, and certainly the need to facilitate large digital transformations, all designed to deliver business value to these customers. I love the story of what our ISV partner Elastic is doing here. Elastic helps enterprise customers with their production and streamline operations through advanced AI capability with real-time insights to address complex enterprise needs. They've integrated Elasticsearch with